Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to record your Instagram story without holding down your finger on the screen. Really easy and simple to do, so you're just going to have to head over to Instagram really quick, and I'll show you guys how to do this. So you just want to open up your Instagram account, and we'll head over to our profile picture here to create a story. So all we're going to have to do is, when you're on this screen here, on the bottom where it says normal, create, and boomerang, where you can scroll, you just want to scroll all the way to the right until you see hands free. Once you see hands free, you just can click on the record button once. And as you can see, it's recording by itself without you having to push on it at all. And then whenever you want to end the video, you can just click on the end button there. And there you go. Really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.